In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install any app that you wish to apply as your new default. In my case, Opera browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to tap on Apps, choose Default Apps, and finally access one of those sections, in my case Browser app. Now to apply your new one, click on it and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!